It's time for another wardrobe and beauty update, and we are already in the middle of June because I just didn't buy anything before, but last week when I was building my summer capsule wardrobe, I said it's time for me to finally order white jeans. So today I have a couple that I will try on, and I think I'm gonna keep a pair. You will see. First pair are my Levi's 721 high-rise skinny jeans in size 26 and length 32, which is the same design and size that I have my medium wash and dark wash jeans. But then after I placed the order, I started thinking that maybe, like I said, I want to move away from skinny jeans because I am tracking my capsule wardrobe and it's truly affecting my purchases a lot. So after that purchase, I also ordered, what are these? 724 high-rise straight, again from Levi, but this time around I bought the size 25 because that's the only thing that was in stock, 25 and length 32. But I got them today, I tried them on and they fit like a glove, the same as 26. So I'm not sure why. They're the same composition of, I think, 97% cotton, 3% elastane, which is something I really love. But yeah, let me show you how they look on. So my first pair are these skinny jeans. As you can see, they fit really nicely. Maybe they're a little bit tight, but that's because they're brand new. And I know from experience, the higher the percentage of cotton in jeans, the tighter they should fit when you're trying them on because they're gonna get so much looser. I used to buy jeans that they fit perfectly in the store, but then I brought them home and they were too big very quickly. But these are just tight enough. So when I wear them, they're gonna get a little bit more comfy, but not too much. They are really skinny, really tight. It's something that I'm used to wearing, but this is definitely the first option. And then this is the second option. And I also think they're just a smidge lower, which I think I prefer to have just like a centimeter lower. They're very comfortable, and now if I go all the way back, you can see the difference. It's not a huge difference, but when I tried them on, I just felt amazing in them. And this is the pair that I'm gonna keep. These are actually the only straight jeans that I have in my closet right now, because for summer and spring, I think I'm gonna experiment with straight and even bootcut jeans in the future. So this is a new pair in my wardrobe, yay! So I took the tags off and the jeans are officially mine, which I'm so excited about. I also forgot to mention that I got them really heavily reduced. I had the coupon, and then also on the side there were some discounts, so I got them for 80 euros or 82, something like that. And originally, I'm not sure how much they are, but maybe 120. I don't know. They're really expensive, so I'm really happy about the discount. And now to the next thing. When I was buying a gift for my husband, I also checked their leather belts on the website. And when I saw this white belt with a silver buckle and it was reduced from 50 euros to 11, I said I'm buying it because I'm a huge wearer of belts. Without a belt, I feel the outfit is unfinished. And since I love my white belt with gold buckle so much, I think I'm gonna love this one too. But now let me show you this belt. As you can see, it's a very classic belt, but it just adds a little bit of dimension. And these are all of my clothing item and accessories, and now we can go through the makeup. As a preview, this is everything that I want to show you today. Some of these things I bought, some of them I used up, and that is the dog growling. He's just all over the place, so excuse the noise. So the first thing that I used up, 4 or 5 days ago, is this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. As you can see, it's completely empty. Nothing is showing, and I had it for 2 years and 2 months before I used it up because I only use it when I'm filming the videos or when I just feel like it. It's not an everyday product for me, so even though it's a little bit more expensive for me, I know I'm gonna have it for a long time. And that's why I bought the exact same thing, just brand new. It's so satisfying to open new products. And this is, like I said, the exact same thing, and hopefully I will have it for a really long time. Then the thing that I think I would throw it away quicker if I wasn't filming this video, but it's something that I also use today, is this mascara. And I actually really loved it. It's from Charlotte Tilbury. It's Legendary Lashes Volume 2. It's a great mascara, but lately I had to, do it like this to get really a lot of the product on the brush, and even that wasn't working, so I really used it up as best as I could. It's time for me to let it go, and that's why I'm bringing in my all-time favorite mascara, which I think they're very similar. It's Isadora High Impact Volume Mascara. I love it, and we can open the package together. Oh, I'm so excited to see it. Now I can see which one I prefer because like I said, I really love this one, but it's very expensive. So this one is cheaper and I'm gonna see which one I prefer. And then I also bought this waterproof mascara because each summer I love to have one waterproof mascara for traveling, for those days when I'm, you know, sunbathing or out and about and it's really hot and humid. This is from Milani and I never bought anything from this brand before because we never had anything in the stores, but now I think this is a brand new stand in our drugstore. The price was okay, it looked okay, so I will open it. And this is gonna be my waterproof mascara for this summer, and hopefully it's just gonna be good enough so I can wear it during the holidays. And then to my concealers, the first one that I completely used up is this Fresh Nude Serum Concealer, and I used it up really quickly because it's not full coverage, and also I used it up almost instead of a foundation on those days where I don't really feel like applying my whole face of foundation, and that's the reason why I think I used it up so quickly. I like it. Would I rave about it? No. Would I buy it again? Possibly. And then this one, it's not quite empty, but I think I'm gonna use it up in a week or two. It's really on its last legs, and I just wanted to show you now instead of, you know, in 2 weeks time, because I already bought the replacement. And what I bought, it's a Bare Minerals Original Liquid Mineral Concealer. I feel like I'm still hunting for a great concealer that it's almost like a skincare. That's what I want to find. Something that it's a little bit hydrating and maybe even has something like vitamin C. I'm not sure, but that's what I think I want to find in the future. This one kind of spoke to me because it says it has a lot of the things, but I bought it online and the color is just a little bit because I already checked the color. As you can see, it's gonna be really orange and really dark. Can you see next to my skin tone? But I think for summer it's gonna be okay. But for the future, if I like the formula and everything, I'm gonna buy something lighter. But this thing I bought in light to neutral. And online, I thought it's gonna be okay, but in person, it's really dark. And then I also have a lipstick, and this one I bought from e.l.f. For a while now, I've been thinking about buying the Charlotte Tilbury, I think it's Kim K lipstick, that it's really light, but I just wasn't sure how it's gonna look with the skin tone, if it's gonna wash me out, if it's gonna look weird. So I said I'm gonna buy something cheaper first to see how much I wear it, and then I can splurge on that lipstick. I'm wearing it today. It's a little bit drying, but I don't think the color is too bad. So I'm gonna still play with it, and if I like it, maybe in the future I'm gonna upgrade it. But for now, I actually kind of like the quality. For what I wanted to do, it's nothing special. I just wanted something so I can put it in the middle, so I can create a little bit of a dimension in my lips instead of just having one color. And lastly, I also want to show you the handbag that I bought in May, just in case you didn't see my other video where I was reviewing the bag. So this is how it looks up close. As you can see, it's a stunning bag. It's a Pauline Noof Mini in texture chalk, and I've been wearing it so much. It smells amazing. Oh. So this is the final purchase. I think I'm just gonna end the video here because I don't see myself buying something more in June. So if you're curious about this bag, I will link another video here that you can watch next. Thank you so much for stopping by today, and I will see you next time.